Now, as you can see, when you start getting a lot of markers in your timeline, being able to get from one marker to the next marker easily is pretty important. So there are three basic ways that you can navigate through your timeline with markers. I'm going to hit the home key, so we'll be at the beginning of our timeline. And what I want to do is show you the first keyboard shortcut, which is how do I jump forwards or backwards to the next or the previous marker. If you hold down the Shift key and press M, Final Cut Pro will jump forward to the next marker in the timeline. If I hold down the Option key, Final Cut will jump backwards to each marker in the timeline. Now that's nice to get from one marker to the next marker, but what if I want to find a note that I made in my timeline or jump way to the end of my show? It's as easy as right-clicking in the timeline and looking at your drop-down menu. You'll actually see a list at the bottom of this drop-down menu that shows you all the markers that you have in your program. And I can say, I need to quickly jump to interview 2 to find out what he's saying. I click on that, it jumps me to that marker, and I can go ahead and hit play. Let's press the home key. The next thing I want to do is I want to be able to search markers. I simply press the Command F key to open up the Find dialog box. Now the first thing I want to find is which interview did the runner say the words distance. So I'm going to type in distance and press Find. I immediately jump to the marker where I've transcribed it, and he actually said the words, it's the challenge going the distance. So Final Cut can find information in both the header and the comment box. Now let's say I wanted to find a shot that required color correction. I hit Command F again for Find. This time I'll type in color. When I hit Return, it jumps me to the next shot that needs color correction. As you see, getting from one marker to the next, or getting to the precise marker that you want to, is really easy.